on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. We're gonna get this pulled up. So this is what we have now. This is what we have additional to what we had last night. I think it was just the two cylinders and not spheres. Sorry about that. I got my shapes confused last night. Everybody makes mistakes, so yeah, we move on. But yeah, as you can see here, I do have a few more shapes added. I didn't adjust my cone as good where it's at right now because I do have something in mind that I'm going to be building my first official structure inside of the environment. Like I said, I still haven't mastered the camera angles all of the way, so I'm just going to keep on building as I go and tinker with the cameras as I go. But I am going to be building a pretty famous structure, well, famous to me at least. But it doesn't look like much now, but I'm pretty sure a few of you can look at it and take a wild guess as to what it could be just from how it looks now. But yeah, like I said, it takes a lot to even do this much of work because of the situation we're dealing with. But yeah, we got this much done. I'm going to work on it more tonight. By tomorrow, it should take a little more form. But in the next few days, you should definitely be able to put the pieces of the puzzle together if you haven't already. But yeah, with that being said, that's where we're at with the Unreal project. So yeah, and I do have something else I want to share with you. Something that I do have worked up from yesterday. If you remember that piece of code that we ran, I just want to run it for you again because we did make some alterations to it. So I just want to go ahead and run it one last time, just to see how you guys like it. So let me get that pulled up. Yeah, it's gonna look a little bit different. Tell me if you guys like this. This is just something I was tinkering around with just to see what I can do. And yeah, so here we go. So let's do that. Let's get that queued up. Okay. Now again, it's almost. I'm not going to explain. I'll just let you see it. It'll start compiling in a second, and you'll see what we're working with here. And like I said, this is just because I code every day. I'm not going to be sharing code with you every day, but when I do get inspired to do a little side quest like this, I'll be sure to share them with you because I'm just tinkering around, making sure my muscle memory sticks, and that the things that I've learned along the way are actually sticking and I can use them. So I'll be doing a bunch of little things like this along the way. So as you can see, it looks a lot different than yesterday. I just did some designing, some moving around, some different alterations and modifications. So it's basically still the same framework. We'll just go through it like this so you can see what else we did. And I like the branch that we took yesterday, so we just finished that same branch with the same sequence. Let's do that. We'll do that again. I think it was the I don't know one. Let me see. I think it was that. I think that was that. Okay. So let's go through now and see how it actually turns out. And like I said, this is just something I was playing around with, just flexing my coding muscles. I think this is how it ended yesterday, but it looks like there's more. What's going on with this? Hmm. Let's see what's going on with this. What's all that about? What does a python with wings look like? Uh, I believe it would look like yeah. Yeah, like I said, I'm just having fun with it. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna pick up tomorrow with the Unreal Engine. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing tonight. Finishing building the project that I told you guys about. And yeah. Of course, I'll keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.